Before we begin, get comfortable. Sit with your feet on the ground, spine relaxed but upright. Let your shoulders drop. If it feels good, close your eyes for a moment. Take a slow breath in through your nose, exhale through your mouth. This session is not about forcing anything. It's about allowing your system to register what you've already earned. Over the last several days, you've stabilized identity, built self-trust under uncertainty, normalized new behaviors, learned how to recover when old patterns return, and installed forward momentum. This EFT session helps your nervous system integrate all of that into one coherent state. Emotional freedom technique works by stimulating meridian points, pathways in the body that carry electrical and emotional information, while consciously acknowledging internal states. When you tap while speaking truthfully, the nervous system learns that it can process change without threat. That's why tapping helps reduce stress, anxiety, and emotional charge. Today, we're not clearing trauma, we're locking in identity. You can tap on either side of the body or both sides. Meridians run on both sides, so choose what feels natural. You'll tap and repeat the words after me. If a phrase doesn't feel perfectly true, that's okay. Just stay present and keep tapping. Now begin at the karate chop point, the side of the hand, and repeat after me. Even though I've gone through a lot of change, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though my identity has shifted, I allow my body to feel safe with who I am now. Even though part of me may still be adjusting, I honor the work I've done. Now move to the eyebrow point. I recognize how much I've grown. Side of the eye. I no longer need to question it. Under the eye. My nervous system is learning this is normal now. Under the nose. I don't have to prove anything. Chin. I trust who I am becoming. Collarbone. I feel grounded in this identity. Under the arm. I can handle uncertainty without collapsing. Top of the head. This version of me is stable. Eyebrow. I don't need perfection to move forward. Side of the eye. I trust myself to recover when things wobble. Under the eye. Old patterns don't define me anymore. Under the nose. I respond instead of react. Chin. I allow progress to be calm. Collarbone. I let this feel ordinary. Under the arm. My system is integrating this fully. Top of the head. This is who I am now. Now slow the tapping and finish this round. Take a deep breath in. Hold it. Exhale slowly. Again. Hold. Release. One more time. Breathe in deeply and let it go. Now, if you're comfortable, close your eyes. Now allow yourself to visualize. See yourself moving through daily life as this version of you, calm under pressure, steady in uncertainty, responding instead of spiraling, trusting yourself without reassurance. Notice how neutral it feels. Notice the lack of urgency. This is integration. See yourself continuing forward, not dramatically, but consistently, one aligned step at a time. Let that image settle. When you're ready, open your eyes. This session is complete. You don't need to repeat it often. The work is done.